Hi, I am Dr. B.G. Geeta, Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, K.S. Rangaswamy College of Technology, Tiruchengodu. Today, we will see about software testing, test plan and test case. So first title, crafting test plans and test cases. The test plan in software testing is very important. It is a formal document that describes the scope, objectives, resources, schedule, approach and activities of software testing. It acts as a blueprint guiding the entire testing process. It ensures testing is systematic, controlled and traceable. The main components of test plan is test plan identifier. It is a unique ID for reference. The introduction, it contains the scope and objectives of testing. Then test items, it contains the features, models to be tested. Features not to be tested, it is a explicit exclusion from the test items. Test approach, it is a testing techniques, levels, tools to be used. Entry and exit criteria, conditions to start and stop the testing. Test deliverables, it contains the documents, reports and the metrics. The resources and roles also included. It is a tester, environments and tools. Schedule and milestone is nothing but the timeline for testing. Then risk and contingencies, possible issues and backup plan from the previous experience by the tester. The test plan is very important because it provides a clear roadmap for testing, ensures resources and timelines are defined, helps in risk management, improves coordination among the team members, ensures traceability to requirements as per user, act as a reference document for audit and reviews. Test case is a set of conditions, inputs, execution steps and expected result designed to validate whether a software feature works as intended. The main components of the test case is unique identifier for reference, test description, what is being tested, preconditions, that condition must exist before the execution, test steps, detailed sequence of actions, then test data, input values required for system, then expected results, the correct output or the system behavior, then actual result obtained after the execution of the input and output. And also status, we need pass or the fail of the test case, then preconditions, system state after execution, then priority and severity based on the business impact indicators. The difference between a test plan and a test case, a document describing what, how, when and who will test is a test plan. In the test case, a step-by-step scenario to verify a feature. The scope of the test plan is very high, then test case is very low and feature specific. Test plan provides testing roadmap. Test case validates specific functionality. The audience of test plan are test managers, stakeholders. Here, test case, testers and quality assurance team. One example, write a test case for a login function. So we should have the login ID, test case ID. Then description is verify successful login with valid credentials. The precondition is user should register in the system already. So navigate to, first step is navigate to login page, enter valid username and password, then click on login. Then test data is username and password. Expected result, user should be redirected to the dashboard. The actual result after execution we will get, the status we will get after execution, pass or fail. The characteristics of a good test case: clear and concise, easy to understand, then traceable to requirements, linked to requirements IDs, reusable, it can be executed multiple times, independent, does not depend on the other test cases, it is individual. Then measurement expected result, clearly defined pass or fail criteria. Then comprehensive, cover both positive and negative scenarios in the test case. The difference between positive and negative test cases. Positive test case is verifies that the system works with valid inputs. I mean correct login example. Negative test case verifies system behavior with invalid inputs or the conditions. Example, wrong password or the blank fields. We have to prioritize based on business impact, that is features critical to the business. The frequency of the use, common user workflows we should mention. Defect prone areas, models with the history of bugs. Then risk level, security or the financial risk based on the experience. Then regulatory requirements, complaints driven cases. These test cases are prioritized based on this. Then sample test plan for project is e-commerce website, online shopping. We have the version number prepared by the who will prepared and date. The topic test plan identifier is TP Ecom 001. It is the unique ID. Then introduction, purpose, validate functionality, performance and security of e-commerce web application. Features, browse, add to cart, payment and order tracking. Test items, user registration and login, product search and filter, shopping cart, checkout and payment gateway, order tracking, admin dashboard. These are the content of e-commerce website. Then features to be tested, user authentication, product search, add or remove items in cart, payment processing, order history, admin, inventory management. Features not to be tested, courier API integration, compatibility with outdated browsers. Then test approach is functional testing, integration testing, system testing, regression testing, performance and security testing. We have to give the entry and exit criteria. Entry development completed, environment ready, data prepared. Exit criteria 95% pass rate, all critical cases executed, no high security defects. Test deliverables, test plan, test cases, test execution report, defect report and final summary report of the test. Then resources and roles, the QA leader, plan and monitor, then test engineers execute the test case, developers fix the defects, tools Selenium, JMeter, Bugzilla based on this case study. Then schedule and milestones, project timeline with the milestones. So test case for e-commerce website, the titles are test case ID, that is the unique ID, module, then test scenario, precondition, test step, test data, expected result, actual result, status pass or fail and priority. So if you take the e-commerce website, test case ID is TC login 01, model is login model, then test scenario is verify login with valid credentials. So precondition is user is registered before the login. Then test steps, go to login page, enter valid username, then password, then click login. So after click login, username is some user 123, password is pass at 123. So after this, user should be redirected to the dashboard, that is the expected result. Actual result and status after execution, so priority is high. The next one is unique ID is test case cart. It is login cart, then add product to the cart, user logged in the product, user is registered before this, then enter valid username, add invalid password, then click on the login. So search for the product, then click. Suppose product is iPhone 15, then item should be appeared in the cart with the correct name and price. The priority is high. Next one is payment. So check out payment from the cart, then remove product from cart, verify payment with valid. At least one item should be in the cart should not be empty. They proceed to checkout, select credit card, enter valid credential and click pay. Product is iPhone, then give the card number with the CVV. Payment is successful, order confirmation and display. This is the critical and status. Then payment gateway, checkout and payment, verify payment with the invalid card, user logged in, cart not empty. Proceed to checkout, select credit card, enter invalid details and click pay. So give the card number. The error message should be invalid card details. The period is high. The next one is security, order tracking. So security, verify the SQL injection protection on login. The user has placed an order already. So go to my orders and select order ID. Enter admin or the 1 equal to 1 in username field. Enter any password. Username is admin. System should not allow login and display error message. So it is the critical. Thank you.